2001 Honda Odyssey. I'm changing out the control arms, both driver side and passenger side. I'm using this is original dealer used control arm. Okay, first you want to park the car, take off your tires, put your jack with your jack stand. You can put the tire for extra safety. Okay, control arm. You can spray down with some WD-40 or any type of penetrating oil. There's a bolt here of on the rear control arm. As you can see, the bolt here is a 19 mm bolt. Loosen this bolt here. I already loosened this bolt. That's the bolt right there. You can use a big breaker bar or a cheater bar, whatever you have. And on this side here, there's another bolt holding the inner part of the control arm. 19 mm also, already loosen it. There's like a small plastic cover here that holds this piece here on the transmission. You can take off this cover so your ratchet can fit between here, or if you're using a box wrench, you don't have to take it out. Again, here ball joint, outer part of the control arm, castle nut here, 17 mm. I used the box wrench to break this loose, and then you get a sledgehammer and shock it on the steering knuckle here where it goes through, so this piece is gonna come loose because you can't put a puller here. You shock it right here and break it loose, so I already did that. Castle nut off, so it's ready to come off. You just can pry it out, and sometime if you need more space, you can turn the steering in or outward, or you can take off this tie rod end. Just take off this nut, shock it here on the knuckle, take off this tie rod end piece, put it aside to get more space to move this. As you can see, it's shaking already. It's out, so you don't need to take this out. Some vehicle you do need to take off this end, tie rod end, so you can get more space to wiggle it out. And some vehicle also you need to take off this strut to nut and bolt that holds the knuckle here, but this one I didn't take it out. Also, some vehicle you need to take out this linkage, because some linkage is bolted onto the control arm, but this one you don't need to take off the linkage. So I'm just gonna use a pry bar or something and wiggle this out, shake it out, and put in the new one. As you can see, the inner bushing here is broken off from the metal inside, so that's why I'm replacing it. If you want, you can replace the bushing, but I'm just replacing the whole arm, so put a new bushing both side and new ball joint. So you just take this out and put in the new one back. Make the bolts nice and tight. Line it up properly and make the bolts, thread them with hand until it goes through, and make it nice and tight, and that's it. You don't need alignment for this, because I'm just taking out the control arm and putting back in the new control arm. That's how you change a control arm on your 2001 Honda Odyssey. This is the driver side I'm doing. Passenger side is the same. So if you like this video, click like, thumbs up, leave a comment or question, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.